19. Surah Maryam, Mary. This surah was revealed in Mecca sometimes before the first hijrah to Abyssinia, which was about 8 years before the hijrah to Medina. The surah has 98 verses in 6 sections. The subject matter of this surah is the true message and teachings of the Prophet of Allah. Several prophets are mentioned here: Zachariah, Yahya, Isa, and his mother Maryam, Ibrahim, Musa, Ismail, and Idris. May be peace and blessings of Allah be upon all of them. Allah blessed these prophets. They taught Tawheed and called their people to the worship of Allah alone. Great miracles and signs were also shown in the lives of these prophets and messengers. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Prophet Zechariah's prayer for a son, birth of John, Yahya, and Allah's favor upon him. Number 2. Maryam, peace be upon her, all the miraculous birth of her son Jesus, peace be upon him. Number 3. Prophet Ibrahim preached the unity of Allah, his conversation with his father. Number 4. Other great prophets and messengers of Allah. Number 5. The resurrection will surely happen. Number 6. Criticism of misconceptions about intersection and the divinity of Jesus.